Yeah guys, so hey, as you can see on my screen, it's something related to Canva. So I hope you have seen my previous video in which I have told how to create a Canva presentation. So in this video I'll tell you how to host your live presentation in Canva. Yeah, that is also one of the special features of it. So I'll just open it and yeah, I'll take a Glastonbury Festival presentation. Actually, this was one of my school presentations, but then I thought let's present it only. So I have added 3 questions to it, only 3 because I just want to give an example. I'll just go to the present and oh, I'm so sorry. I'll just a second. Now I'll present from the beginning. Present. And yeah, so now you are on the full screen mode, and here you can see a type of network icon. I'll just click on it and then start a new session. It will not ask for anything. It will just automatically give you a code, and like if you want to join from another device, you will just go to canva.live and type this code, whatever in your device it is given. Here also you can see the instructions how to do it. So I'll just join from one of my device, 731 58 and 7. Yeah, so I'm in this live presentation. Now here you can give some heart and all these. If you can see, they're popping up on my screen. I've given a clap, a like, a heart, and if there will be more participants, there will be more icons popping up. I'm just the one and I'm doing. So first I'll present all this my slides. I'll just read it. The Glastonbury Festival aims to encourage and stimulate theatre culture from around the world in all forms of art, including pop music, dance music, jazz, folk music and all. I'll just read out my slides or whatever I want to explain, and then I'll go to the questions. So like you have joined from your another device, like when the audience will join, there they'll get an option of type any question or comment. So first, like I have asked the question, Glastonbury Festival is a type of dash dash festival. So I think it's a type of music festival. So from the device which I have joined this live host, I'll type there music and I'll post it. Okay, if you are on laptop, or if you want to add your name, there will be an option behind the question or comment box. There will be an option, type, enter your name. So like I'll write Tanishka. Okay, and then I'll just give my like I want to add some comment. I'll write wow, and now see, it is showing my name also because I have written that, and in this one I have not written. So if you want to delete the comments, like if someone has spammed, and then if you want to delete it, just click on these 3 buttons and then delete this message. So this you have to present all your things and whatever you want. So now comes how to end this session. To end, just click here, end session, and your session is ended. Now it will ask you for start a new session, but you will not do anything. You'll click again on this button, and I hope you've understood how to host your own live presentation on Canva. And if you have any queries or any questions coming to your mind, just go to the comment box and type a comment. I'll surely come back to you. Thank you.